Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to block your Outlook calendar for out of Office. First, navigate to the left menu and select Calendar. Click on New Event and drag the timeline to the time you'll be out of the office. For example, you'll be out from 3 to 4. Drag it like this. Then click here and select Out of Office. Or if you will be out of the office for all day, click on All Day. You can also add a title like Don't Book Meetings. And you can also send a description if you want. And after it's all done, just click on Save and it will be automatically saved. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.